Alright, it is Monday, November 12th, 2018 at 12:08 p.m. Let's take a look at the weather. Alright, in the Pacific we got tropical cyclone activity not expected during the next 48 hours. And in the Atlantic we have disturbance 1 with 50% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. We have a vigorous tropical wave located about 200 miles east of the Leeward Islands. It's producing a large area of disturbed weather over much of the western tropical Atlantic Ocean. Showers and thunderstorm activity has increased and become a little more concentrated this morning, and environmental conditions and forecasts to gradually become more conducive for the development of a tropical depression or a tropical storm during the next day or so. So this is something we're keeping an eye on here in the Atlantic. Let's take a look at the tracking system for this disturbance. We have the possibility of it going over the Lesser Antilles and Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic. Also, it could go under. So there's certain tracks that are varying here. It could go above it, but it is forecasted to move westward towards the Caribbean islands. Alright, let's take a look at our loop of the weather right now, and you see here the storm close to the Caribbean islands there developing. Keeping an eye on that. Hopefully the jet stream just carries it off into the Atlantic and it doesn't get close to land, but keeping an eye on that. Also, if you pay attention to the storm clouds here close to California, if for some reason they were to shift, they could bring rains to California and alleviate a lot of those forest fires. But the way it's looking like it might not get close enough to California. But just pray that it somehow shifts and brings rains to California to alleviate that forest fires. Alright, also over Texas and Mexico, there's rain happening with the jet stream. Also over Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, there's some storms there happening. Let's take a look here. Storm prediction. Here by Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, there's tornado watch in place. Tornadoes moderate likelihood, but there's the watch for that area. Alright. Severe risk continues, it says here. It just switched. But this area here is pretty much in a tornado watch. Alright, let's take a look at the temperatures. Oh no, this is the storm prediction. The National Weather Service. Okay, here we go. In Texas, in central Texas, we got freeze warning, and Dallas and Fort Worth. And then we also have winter weather advisory for central Oklahoma and southwestern Mississippi and southeastern Colorado and north and central New Mexico. There is a winter storm warning and a winter weather advisory. There's air quality alert over south central California because of the fires. There are special maritime warnings near Louisiana and high wind watches because of the tornado possibilities in Louisiana, Alabama, and Mississippi. There is also flash flood warning for the Panhandle of Florida and southwestern Georgia. Alright, and also a freeze warning for northern Maine and northern Vermont and New York. Alright, so keeping an eye out for all these weather advisories here in the United States. And the temperature map. Montana, Nebraska, and Wyoming, look how cold it is. 10 to 16 degrees. It's pretty cold in the middle of the United States. Alright, Washington has 41 degrees. California has 30 up north. And down south, 54 to 58 degrees. Texas has 26 degrees up north and 58 to 52 degrees down south. Louisiana has 45 up north and 68 down south. Florida has 68, 75, 82, and 83 down south. South Carolina has 40 and 60 degrees. North Carolina has 38 degrees in the middle of the state and 61 degrees in the shorelines. Virginia has 38 degrees. And the rest of the East Coast in Massachusetts has 43 degrees and 30 degrees. And Maine is at 27 degrees. Alright. Michigan at 32 and 36 degrees. So it's pretty much still cool and chilly in the middle part of the United States and warm around the coastlines, especially Florida. Just warmer because of the tropical temperatures. Alright guys, that's it for the forecast for right now. See you next time. God bless. And stay safe and bundled up out there. It's kind of chilly. Alright guys, God bless.